Hello, my good people. Here today, I want to show you the analogy of the snow. So, in the realm of personal finances, there is analogy that aligns the act of cleaning windshield and windows with the essential task of managing our personal finances. Just as cleaning our vehicle's windshield and windows remove the obstacle of snow, providing a clear view of road ahead, prioritizing our financial needs and goal ensures a clear path towards financial success. Imagine a snow day where flakes descend light upon our car, obscuring our vision. You start the engine and they prepare to embark on your journey. However, you quickly realize that even though the snow may be covering the entire vehicle, there's only surface that require immediate attention are the windshield and the windows. By focusing your effort solely on the clearing this area, you are able to see clearly, ensuring your safety and enabling you to reach your desired destination. Do you agree with that? So it's very important to clean the vision, the place where you can see. Similarly, when it comes to personal finances, it is crucial to prioritize the task and decision that have the most significant impact. Just as cleaning the windshield and the windows of a car will allow you to navigate the road effect, taking care of essential aspects such as budgeting, managing debt, and setting financial goals will give you a clear perspective on your financial journey. And that's why when I was doing the cleaning of the car today, removing the snow from the windshield and the windows, it gave me the perspective, and I had to learn a lot. All this knowledge we are being given in anything that we see, we can learn from it. And I want to tell you, it can help us also to realize what to do or what not to do. And with that, it's going to help us. So by dedicating time and effort toward prioritizing your financial well-being, you can ensure that your financial vision remain unobstructed. And that is the best thing that you need to learn. The answer lies in the ability to make informed decisions and avoid veering off course, just as a clear view allows you to anticipate obstacles and make precise driving decision. A clear understanding of your financial situation enable you to make informed choices, mitigating risk and capitalizing on opportunities. And that's why we tell people you have to make sure that you learn from the situation that happened. Like today, when we look outside, there's a long lesson that we can learn from that. So no snow left behind serve as a reminder to devote and deliberate attention to the aspect of personal finances that truly matters. By prioritizing budgeting, managing debt, saving, and investing, you set yourself up for financial success, and that is going to help you as an individual. So in anything that we see outside there, we can learn from it. So by focusing on tasks that have a direct impact on your financial journey, such as budgeting, debt management, saving, and investing, you ensure a clear pathway towards personal finances success. So grab your financial snow book, The Power of Money Mindset. There is a chapter there that talks more about what we have just discussed. And I want to tell you, when you do that, you are not going to regret. The Power of Money Mindset is the greatest book that I've been encouraging people to buy. I've co-authored with my friend. It's a great book that it can help you. So please grab your financial book, The Power of Money Mindset, and also my pocket friend abroad. They're all great books that you need to get, that is going to allow yourself to enjoy the view of prosperous and secure financial future. It is a great thing, you see. So in this case, you see, I had to step out and do cleaning. Even of my wife's car, so that to make it clear. Please grab your copy of The Power of Money Mindset and My Pocket Friend Abroad at Amazon.com. God bless you. Thank you very much.